How's it, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, a very triple welcome to you. So guys, we're doing an unboxing today. Actually, we're doing two unboxings because I got two new work bags, and I got these from Foschini. It's the Colette Hayman handbags, and they actually had a sale. You buy one and you get 50% off for the second bag. And these are really great quality bags, and this is the first one, guys. This gives me, kind of Gucci vibes. They also included two perfume samples within the bag, which is kind of cute. The bag was a little bit beat up due to, transporting delivery, but it'll be fine if I just, put some stuff in it and just let it stretch out a bit. So that is what the bag looks like. Beautiful bag. I'll show you a close-up as well. So here's the bag hanging and looking all pretty and cute. I just wanted to show you, the strap. It has one strap, so it's like almost like a bucket tote bag. Love the colors. Stitching is quite good. Very decent quality, guys, as you can see. And there you have the front part. It just says Colette by Colette Hayman, which I think is an Australian brand, if I'm corrected. You can see the plastic is still over the gold part. And then you have one snap closure on top, and this is what the inside looks like. So there's the snap closure. It's a magnetic closure, so it's an easy to reach in bag. The interior is this beautiful rich red velvet, and then it has one pocket at the back. Zip works quite good as well. I think it's just good quality bag. I love the size of the bag as well. It's not too big, but it's not too small either. I'm very short, so very big bags tend to look quite strange on my frame. And there is a little bit of a loose, one or two, not loose threads, but threads that weren't worked off properly. So I'm just gonna use my little scissors and cut off those. But as far as the hardware, love the hardware, love the whole look of the bag. I think it's just a beautiful addition to my collection, and I'm looking forward to using this bag. Hopefully when I stuff it and I hang it up, it will the shape will return. So this is the second bag, guys, and this is a bigger tote, guys. This is a typical work tote, and the reason why I decided to order these two bags is because currently I'm having two genuine leather work bags and one made of PU, and I always cringe when I have to travel and put those bags through security, because it's dirty and they don't handle your bags with care, and you know the drill. So this is the second bag. It's a beautiful navy tote with some gold hardware, and I also got some samples, the exact same samples in this bag. And this bag has a pouch for your laptop, which looks like that. Beautiful pouch. It's just a dust bag, and then let's look at the inside. It's fully lined. You have the front pocket where you can put in all of your cables. Love it, and it fits my laptop perfectly, guys. And then this is the inside bottom of the bag, and that's the other sample that I got. One thing that I don't like about Colette Hayman bags is it doesn't come with a box. It only comes with the dust bags. So, when it gets transported, it sometimes gets, a little bit beat up in the process. As you can see, the corner of the bag has a little bit of a crease in it, which kind of bothered me, but let's have a close-up. This is just the bottom part of the bag, and as you can see, this one doesn't have feet like the other one, but it's fine. I never put my bags on the ground. I always put something underneath them when I do put them on the ground, but usually they are not on the ground. That's the back of the bag. Beautiful stitching, very neatly done, great quality. This is just the corner again. I'm sure it will come out when I stuff it with some stuff, guys. I'm dead sure that will come out, so I'm not going to worry about that too much. And it is on the back side of the bag, so it's fine as well. This is just the front, just inspecting and looking at the stitching. And then this is what the bag looks like, guys. It's just a beautiful bag. It looks so professional and classy and elegant. The navy, I love the navy with the gold combination. Hardware is beautiful, no scratches. And then the handles is fine too. Zippy works perfect, glides through effortlessly. This is just the inside. That's the bottom part of the bag. And there's the pouch, fits perfectly inside the bag. And there's just a better view of the inside of the bag. So I'll probably get, like a bag organizer, or maybe even not. I usually just keep my stuff in different little pouches inside my bags. I'm so happy about this buy, guys. It's such a gorgeous bag. Both of them are. I'm so happy. These are just the samples that I got, 2 of each. Issey Miyake, Le Issey Rose Rose, and Elisab Le Parfum Essentials. I haven't tried these. I'm excited to try these as well, guys. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Click that notification bell so that you know when I upload new videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.